Hi guys, I got these interlocking deck tiles to go on top of this pallet to make like a little deck here. They were very easy to install. You just kind of snap them together in a grid pattern, and then I ended up securing them on the edges with like some metal zip tie just so they don't move. But this did take about 2 boxes. I did have some left over, but I needed more than just 1 box to do this big pallet here. So I'll get you some close-up shots on it. So this is what that tile looks like. And this one I don't have secured, so I'll be able to show you that they just kind of, this one obviously I had to cut to just get this small piece, but they just have these holes and then the little pegs. So that's how those fasten up. And they do come in like 4 of these or 1 tile. So if you guys are in the market for any decking material, this is some really good looking decking material. It's easy to install. So go ahead and get it. Thanks.